our huge successes for the week. This is one of my favorite videos that I do every week, where I get to share with you the cases that we are winning so that you know if you suffer one of these suspensions, you can get your accounts back and you can get your listings back. So here are just a handful of the huge successes that our incredible team has earned over the past week or so. Ashley DePinto has won a huge intellectual property design patent complaint case. Design patent complaints are all about whether or not your improvement of the product was enough to take the product outside the design patent that was issued and make the product your own. With the help of the patent lawyer that we use almost every single day, Ashley was able to identify differences between our client's product and the original product. And Ashley DePinto, you are absolutely awesome, saving this seller's product and saving their Q4. Jacques Laveau, another huge asset to our team, won a velocity suspension. For Amazon sellers who don't know, a velocity suspension means your sales went so quickly and grew so much that you triggered Amazon's algorithm, and now you have to explain to Amazon why your product is so successful. Jacques reviewed the product, reviewed the sales, made some great arguments, and that seller's product is back online. Great job, Jacques. David Miller, one of our managing attorneys, had a listing variation case for a very significant seller. And David was able to combine a great plan of action with a legal opinion letter that we drafted to get that seller back online. David Miller, awesome job. Jacques Laveau had two more wins that were absolutely tremendous. One had to do with a 72-hour notice, and he worked hard and he worked late and got that seller reinstated. And also Jacques was able to win the reinstatement of another seller's account by providing Amazon with a letter of authorization to show Amazon that the products were being sourced properly and Amazon's consumers were receiving great products at great prices. Awesome job, Jacques. These are just a handful of the wins we had over the past week or so. If you want to learn more about your specific issues when it comes to Amazon, go to our blog. Put in any issue you face on Amazon or any issue you fear facing on Amazon, and you will literally find dozens of articles and videos on every topic facing Amazon sellers. Also, please, if you haven't done so, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you want a free copy of our book, you can scroll down right now and write to Kaylin. Send me a copy of Copyright Law for Sellers. Send me a copy of Trademark Law for Sellers. Send me your latest book on how to avoid suspensions. We are here for sellers 7 days a week. Don't be shy. Contact us if you need some help.